All right, number 21. The scatter plot above shows the number of grams of both total protein and total fat for 8 sandwiches at the restaurant menu. The line of best fit for the data is also shown. According to the line of best fit, which of the following is closest to the predicted increase in total fat in gram for every increase of 1 gram of total protein? Okay. So we have this chart, and then on the x-axis, we have the total proteins in grams, and then the y values represent the total fat in grams. And what we're trying to solve is for every 1 unit increase, a 1 gram increase in protein, how much does the fat increases? Okay, so in other words, as the x value increased by 1, how much does the y value change? So this is actually the slope of the line. Okay, the slope is a rate of change. So that tells us how much the y value change for every increase of 1 unit for the x value. Okay, so that's what we're trying to solve. So we're trying to solve for the slope of the line. Here we could pick 2 points, any 2 points on the line, and we can use the slope formula. Okay, and here we're just gonna approximate a little bit because it seems like none of these points are exactly on the line. So if we pick, like, say, we can just do like from 10 to 20 maybe. Okay, it's not exactly on the grid, we'll just estimate. So when the protein is 10, the total fat is like a little bit less than 20, right? So let's say 19 maybe. We have a point at 10 comma 19. Okay, and then when the x value is 20, the y value is roughly, I would say 32 maybe, right? A little bit higher than 30. So let's just use these number then. Okay, so okay, yeah, so that should be good. Yeah, so we try this, I'll say maybe 33. That's a better number, maybe. Because it seems like a little bit higher, yeah. Because so each space is like 10, right? Okay, I'll say 33 then. Okay, so we can subtract the 2, or subtract and then solve for the slope, right? Remember the slope formula is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So the y value, right, y2 minus y1. So if you want, we can also label this x1, y1, x1, y1, x2, y2. Okay, and then we can subtract 33 minus 19 on the top over x2 minus x1, which is 20 minus 10. Okay, so if we solve this out, 33 minus 19 is, well, it's gonna be, we can type in the calculator, it should be 14, right? Okay, so it'll be 14, and then that should be on the top, and then on the bottom 10. So do 14 divided by 10, we get 1.4. Okay, so our slope is approximately 1.4. So which one's the closest one? Yeah, I'll say it's 1.5. That's probably the best answer. Okay, so it's the closest one. So then that will be our final answer for number 21. Okay, so you don't have to pick these 2. You can pick any 2 points that are on the line. Again, we can use that to help us solve, then it should work. Okay.